Hey y'all, we are talking about a new BH Cosmetics palette. It is called Summer in Tropez. This is what it looks like, and these are the beautiful colors in it. It's very summery, so they're coming out a little bit late with this, but we're still using it. This is what, nope, that's not it. This is what the outer packaging looks like. And there's 16 shadows in here, and it is $16. I got this in store at Ulta. They actually had it, so I was super happy I could run in and grab them. I got this one and their other new one. So if you guys want to know if I like this and how to get this look, then let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, here are swatches of the shimmers and metallic shades. This shade over here, it is a pressed pigment, and it is a matte with glitter suspended in it, which is one that I don't like. But I wanted to use this until I swatched it. This is going to stain your eyes. At least it will mine. I have washed and washed this finger, and it is still stained just from swatching it. So be aware, there are three There are three pressed pigments in this palette. It is this guy right here, this purple, and then this shimmer shade, which is kind of surprising to me. It is this swatch right here. I'm not used to seeing shimmers as pressed pigments, but it is. So we are going to get started on the eye look. Absolutely love that there's a mirror in these palettes. And I just dug my fingernail into that. My nails are way too long for me, so they're gonna keep getting in the way. I'm gonna go in with this one. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm gonna go in with this one first, our light pink here. We'll see how it works. It is a bit powdery, but I can deal with that as long as they're pigmented and they blend easily. So I'm just gonna get a nice wash of color here. And there's some really pretty blues in here. I don't know. I'm kind of over the blues, and I never really liked blue eyeshadow anyway. So if you like blues, there are a couple in here, and I think they're pretty wearable blues. All right, I'm gonna switch brushes. I'm gonna go in with Jet Set. This is one of the colors that just attracted me to this palette. All right, so I'm taking that on the outer edge and then into the crease, and then just blending and building, blending and building. This shade is not near as powdery as that light pink. And then as I'm blending, I'm just kind of holding and pushing up. I'm not too worried about the outer edge where we're doing eyes first. We can easily clean that up. I'm going to take this about halfway onto the lid. The shade's blending beautifully. I will give it that. Alright, I'm going to try to use my finger. My nails are probably too stupid long, but I'm going to go in with Beach Club right here. And I'm going to lay this right onto the lid. I cannot get in my inner corner there, so I'll just use a brush for that. Alright, now I'm going to grab like a packing brush, grab that same Jet Set shade, and pack it on. And then I'm going to hop over into Nightlife, our purple, and I'm going to start packing that purple on the outer corner. And this one is a pressed pigment as well, so there is a chance that it will stain your eyes. But hopefully concealer will kind of take care of that if need be. Then I'm just going to start blending this purple out. I thought that this purple would be a bit more vibrant, but it's not. I'm gonna grab the darker purple right here, which is Cabana, and try to get this outer corner a bit darker. It's like I wish they had a dark brown. I think every palette can benefit from a dark brown. This doesn't look bad, but it's not ideal, just where I can't get the depth that I want. And like I said, this outer edge, we will clean that up, not a big deal. So this is where we're stopping at. I think a wing would look beautiful, but where my Botox is jacked with my eye, I haven't been doing wings lately. This eye is just so droopy, but a wing would look beautiful with this. But I'm going to go off camera. I did have some fallout. I think if you used a wet brush, in fact, let's do that. And now let's see what we've got. Oh yeah. Yeah, not as much fallout. I mean, there was practically no fallout, and it kind of made it more crisp, which is normally what I like. It's almost like a faux cut crease. So I am going to go off camera, and I'll see you guys in just a second. I was gonna do my hair, but I'm just too lazy. So this is what we've got. I really do like the finished look. I went ahead and I did the lower lash line. I went in with Crepe, which is a beautiful orangey yellow. It's a stunning shade. I went in with that on a fat pencil brush, and then underneath of that I mixed our pink and our I don't even know what color this is. I mixed Villa and Jet Set and just really lightly put that under. But I really like the way this turned out. I do recommend this palette. Is this my favorite BH Cosmetics palette? No. And that's just because I like the Hangin' in Hawaii colors better. But the formula is still the same, still beautiful, still blends beautifully. So I do recommend the palette. If you guys like the colors in this palette, grab it. And then tomorrow I am doing a tutorial and review with the other one, which is Beautiful in Barcelona, and it looks like this. So that will be the next video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please subscribe and click that like button, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.